Hi Togi Technology students, I thought I would do this video just to give you a bit of an assistance when it comes to graphic communication. I can tell you that graphic communication is very important in technology because this is the way the learners will express themselves in terms of designing certain components, and they have to do that in a graphical format. So I have here my isometric dotted page which will refer to my 3D drawings, and all I want you to do is to copy these drawings over onto this dotted sheet here, and you can print as many as you want. So you can space it out on the page. I'm going to show you one of these, and I'm going to show you another one as well. So what you need to ensure is that you need to link the lines here with the dotted spaces here, and you will see that lines will only go in three directions, which is that way, and straight, vertical. So you got to go 30 degrees to your right, 30 degrees to your left, and straight. In some cases you will have slanted lines here, which are non-isometric lines. Those will go across the grain and they will form slanted sections. So I want to focus on only one, and I'm going to show you a few others as well from the other attachment. So I'm going to start in this space here, not at the top but at the bottom here, because I will have a lower point here, and that is normally my lower point. All these 3D drawings will have lower points. So I'm going to start there, and I'm going to find my lower point perhaps over there. And if I'm going to go that way, I will have to go this way on my dotted isometric page as well. So from there I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to go 1 up, 2 back, and then I'm going to go 3 up, and I'm going to work my way around to formulate that shape over there. So let's see how it goes. So from here, let me start over here. So from here, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. Right? And rather keep it faint, because should you erase, then it will easily come out. I'm going to go 1 up. I'm going to go 2 back. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 up. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go down by 2, 1, 2, drop by 1, go in by 1, and come straight down to its origin. And there you have created that shape. Now you're going to add some length to it. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 out to your left. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I can go up here by 1, 2. So 1, 2 up. Then I'm going to go another 4 for these two lines here and close up that surface. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close up the surface. Then I'm going to go another 4 to the left, which is the line at the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. And just close up that surface. And then the last line would be this line that just fades away at the back. 1, 2. And there you have your drawing. All you have to do now is to just basically darken it. So I'm going to go over my lines and make it nice and dark, and that is how learners actually bring the drawing out of the page. So I'm going to darken that surface, this surface over here, and I'm going to darken that surface there as well, including the top. Just go over my lines and this back section here. Alright, and there you have a beautiful drawing. What you are going to add now would be dimensions. So you're going to keep a little gap away. So I only want 3 dimensions, and that's going to be your height, your length, and your width. So I'm going to draw a line here, and I'm going to draw a line there. So that shows that width dimension there. And I'm going to draw another line over here, which shows the length dimension. Then I'm going to draw a line in the middle there, and a line in the middle here, and indicate 2 arrows on both sides of my dimension line, as we call it. And you can now print in here 1, 2, 3. You can say that that is 3 and that is 4. And then you're also going to have a height here. So that is my height. I'm going to draw a line there, and I'm going to draw a line here, and I just want my vertical height and in the middle with 2 arrows on both ends. And And then I'm going to write in here 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever the height is. And then to finish it off, you are going to use different colors for different views. Watch carefully how I'm going to color in my drawing using different colors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this maroon color and I'm going to color in that side here, and I'm going to do it very fast, like that there. That's going to be my one color. You're obviously going to do it much neater than what I'm doing it. And then my top faces a different way, so I'm going to do my top a different color as well. Just make sure that you color in within the designated space, like that there. And of course this also faces the top, so I'm going to add that color there as well. And then you have these surfaces here that would face the sort of front side, and I'm going to add that color on my front, which is going to be there as well. Alright, as nice as that, and you're going to copy all of this, which will build your skill around drawing 3D drawings. I'm going to do one more for you, but I'm not going to say anything. You're just going to watch me draw it very quickly. So if you look at the next 3D activity, we've changed the whole format now. Now you are sitting with dimensions, and you just need to apply the dimensions to the principle of the isometric dots, where every single unit on here equals to 1 unit or 10 millimeters on here. So if something is 50, you will have 5 units. If something is 30, you will have 3 units, and so forth and so on. If you have 1.5 or 15, you will go a block and a half, so you will work in between. So you've got to gauge really well how you draw that line on an angle. Let's start with this one. We're going to have a lowest point here, and I'm going to take you through that one. There's my lower point. I'm going to go and do this surface over here, which is starting here 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to go up by 15 here and another 15 there, which is going to be 30. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to come back with 1 there, which is 10, and I'm going to drop down with 20, which is with 15, sorry, and there I have my 15 in the middle, and I'm going to go up here 15 as well, and that will be in the middle like that there. Right, now I'm going to add this side here, which is 30. 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to meet up that side with my 30 like that there, and then I'm going to go back 20 So here I've got to go 1, 2, and that's 20. I've got to go down now by 15, so I'm going to go 5 and 10, and then I've got to go in by 20, which is a half here, and then 10, and then another half, which makes it 20, and go down like that there. Then I've got to put in this section over here, which is going to be up like that till there, and you will see this will meet up with that line over there. Then I'm going to put in this surface over here, which is going to be a line coming down like that, and a line going straight up. So you've got to work in between the dots if there's a half. And then you're going to do this surface here, which is going to be up by 15, 5, and 10, and it's going to link up with that over there. And eventually you're going to see that line and this line at the back meeting up there to formulate your shape here. So the grid lines are there, or the grid page or the dotted page is there to be able to navigate your way through the different line directions. Either that way, or this way, or straight up. So now I'm going to add once again my dark sections to my drawing, like that. And I will then use my different colors again. And of course, I'm going to dimension it like I did previously. Alright, I hope this video is going to help you. You can now go and have fun with all these different shapes that we have there. Hi guys, this is our next activity, which is 2D drawings, and there are 3 boxes here and a 3D drawing. Here I'm going to use a Koki, and you can use a Koki maybe as well because of the quality of this page. So what we need to do is that this is going to be your front here, which is going to be from the direction of the arrow. The surfaces that you see here, and then the top, and then your right. So I see this surface first, which is going to be 3, 1, 2, 3, and it's going to be like that there. And then I see the rest of it like that, coming down like that there. Okay, and that would indicate your front view. If I look at the top now, and I just tilt it like that, I'm going to have this surface here, which is going to be drawn like that there. Then we have that platform. You can see it's 1, 2, and then a 1 unit for these 2 here, both on the sides here, and the inside part there, which is slightly sunken, and that will indicate that you have top view seen like that. Then your right view on this side, you will see an L shape here, starting at this point here, going up like that. 3 blocks and 3 blocks, and this of course you can't see from this side, and that's the reason why we're going to have that as a dashed line there. So there will be just a dashed line there. Alright, I'll do a few more. Let me just zoom in on it.